Hello everyone, I've created a new Unreal Engine Blueprint beginner course on Udemy. In it, you'll learn how to use Unreal Engine. We will cover a range of topics, and at the end of the course, we'll go over how to create a top-down, wave-based zombie survival game from complete scratch like the one you see on the screen right now. If that sounds of interest to you, you can get the course using the link in the description. In it, we'll go over how to create our own custom character, give him a gun which can shoot bullets, go over how to create an enemy which will chase the player, spawn blood when it gets hit, and ragdolls when it dies. We'll also go over how to create a wave system, so that the game gets progressively harder when the player kills all the zombies in a wave. And we'll cut the project files for the game, just in case you want to look at how it's all made. We will also cover other topics in the course, such as widget blueprints, what I think the most essential nodes are, the different blueprint communication methods like casting, interfaces, event dispatchers, and more. The way I like to teach is to get into the engine and start making things. So if that sounds of interest to you, you can get the course on Udemy using the link in the description and you'll get a special discount off the course. I hope to see you there.